Into a Thursday, March 27th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Profile PR and Strategies. And what will we do? The big question in the aftermath of Donald Trump's latest shot in that Can-Am trade war. 25% tariffs on new cars and trucks entering the U.S. vehicle market. Prime Minister Mark Carney calling it an attack on Canadian workers off the campaign trail. Back in Ottawa for an emergency meeting with his Canada-U.S. Cabinet Council. Ontario's Premier Doug Ford vowing to cause as much pain as possible south of the border, while in contrast, Alberta's Danielle Smith is off to Florida to speak at a mega fundraiser just days after asking the Trump administration to pause the tariffs in order to help Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre's campaign. Also on the trade front, it's not sounding like Canada is all that interested in a lot more business with China, as suggested by the country's ambassador to our nation. Prime Minister Carney noting that China really doesn't share Canadian values when it comes to trade. With key insights affecting you each and every day, this is Canada's Business Beat on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, sponsored by Profile PR and Strategies, empowering business to tell their stories with expert media training, profile building, crisis management, and more at profilepr.ca. StatsCan highlighting a stable job market, reporting a 0.1% increase for January payroll employment, also up 1.1% year over year. January job vacancies little changed at 526,000, with the accommodation and food services sectors showing the most openings. Saskatchewan with the country's highest job vacancy rate at 3.5%. Canada's best-known dollar store, Dollarama, is about to get a lot bigger, announcing plans to acquire Australia's biggest discount chain, The Reject Shop, which operates nearly 400 stores. Sea-Doo and Ski-Doo maker BRP coming off a rough fourth quarter, showing a loss of $44.5 million. And the nation's telecom space still buzzing about the big news from Vancouver-based TELUS, with that company selling its stake in its cell phone tower network, an expected price tag of $1 billion. And that will do it for your Thursday, the 27th. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.